Hello, it's Tasha from WTI.
I love this MacBook Air. It is amazing. It is so lightweight and so beautiful. The display is so vibrant. The sound is incredible. It has finger touch to be able to log into all of my devices or all of my accounts. It's super simple to charge with the USB-C. It's sleek and slender. I have had no problem, and it is so fast. I will definitely always stick with Macs because they're durable. I've had this one for a couple years now. I've never had any issues with it. I can use all my programs with it with ease. There's tons of apps that I can download for free. It's very user friendly, and I'm able to customize it to my style, my design, how I want to use it. It's a wonderful product.
And that's my point of view.